Long Chicago, 1958. It was an ordinary school day at Our Lady of the Angels, filled with lessons, laughter, and routine.
Then smoke began creeping through the hallways. A fire had started in the basement, and the alarm came too late.
Firefighters rushed to the scene. Ladders reached for upper floor windows as smoke trapped students above.
"92 children and 3 nuns lost their lives. After that day, fire alarms, sprinklers, and mandatory drills became standard in schools across America. Because fire safety is written in history, so everyone goes home.